Frank decide we're done with the old grind. No more corners, no more hustle, no shine. Used to flip parts, now it's in the past. Living clean, man, gotta make it last. Can't go back to the backstreet life. Selling body parts, nah, that's too much strife. Used to be slick with a deal on the side, but now Frank's clean, he got him some pride. Back when rent was due, he had to pay your fool. He made moves, but the game was too cool. Life changed up, now no more risky heat. Frank's on the come up, no need for the street.